Karua niwe ndagitari Ouma Orunga ore ne mwandiki mukaru ministry ogima wa mwiri ni oritie makanitha guothe bururi-ini kuria muingi kunyita itemi rikuthie na mbere na wiyandikithia utungata ugima wa mwiri wa SHA hari njira-ini imwe ya kuhotithia thirikari gukorwo ikiriha mathire mayo goiri mathibitari guku bururi-ini. Ruga aritio hindi ya kugenera igongona ria kuhumbo thumbi kwa arutwo thiini wa thukuru wa Consolata Medical College mwena wa Kiganjo county ya Nyeri. Igongona riria rikuma hamwe na muthikabu munene Anthony Muheria uria ukagira ikinya rio horo wigi ugima wa mwiri gukorwo rigithie na mbere na mathibitari kwaga gukorwo matakurihwo mathire mao mutatene wa SHA.
We can appreciate.
However, we don't have to make great sacrifices if the partnership works. And your presence here, thank you very much, PS, for coming, is also a sign. We was chatting here and saying it's a journey we must go, and let's work in this journey so that we can improve this relation and that there shouldn't be difficulties because we are serving the people of this nation. And a big part of this partnership, Archbishop, is that we want to engage with the church and the faith-based facilities, because you have a big voice every Sunday in the platforms, in the pews, to socialize and to encourage Kenyans to pay up their social health insurance fund. If we work together in building the domestic resource that we need to finance healthcare, that way we will not support hospitals, including the hospitals like Consolata Madari. Clap, a third clap, welcome.
Aya na thino igongona riaku tukiuma na umugitu weto Newton ukiri umwe wari magukihumbagwo thumbi mwena ucio tugakimwira congratulations. Tugithii na mbere turi oguku kaunti ya Nyeri, aikari itura-ini ria Giacuma na Rumoro kaunti ya Nyeri marekara naho ya gutharikirwo mari toro kurumirira kuongerereka kwa ciiko cia uici wa mahiũ indo cia nyumba thiini wa mieri 6 ihetukite, magitetia honge cia ugitiri mwena uyu ni gukorwo igondereire wira-ini wao ugite mukwiro munene wa guthagatha